The paper came from a need to rethink the policy and practice surrounding freshwater translocations in Aotearoa. As the work of many hands, we had researchers and practitioners nationwide who have expertise across mātauranga, biophysical and social sciences. And the work was initiated and funded through the Biological Heritage National Science Challenge. Translocations, or moving freshwater species, are one way to enhance conservation and mahinga kai outcomes, particularly given that lots of freshwater species in Aotearoa are facing multiple threats. But compared to, say, bird translocations, they've received much less attention in conservation policy, practice and science. And so we looked at the history of freshwater translocations in Aotearoa and also reviewed the last 10 years of permitting data. And from that and from our own experiences, we identified 3 major challenges and opportunities for policy and practice. First, the legislation and governance surrounding freshwater translocations are highly fragmentary, and there's a need for more support and guidance to help people navigate the space. Second, there's a need for more inclusive decision making that honours te tiriti o Waitangi and involves mana whenua and stakeholders from the outset. And third, there is a need for consistent monitoring and reporting so that we can learn from past experiences and build technical knowledge. In the paper, we illustrate these challenges and opportunities by featuring 2 case studies, one led by Hokonui Runanga on the captive breeding and translocation of kanakana or pouched lamprey, and the second led by Zealandia Te Mara Atane on the reintroductions of toitoi or common bully and kākihi or freshwater mussel. Our hope is that providing more guidance and support around translocations will help people to achieve the outcomes that they want.